All right. Welcome to the Bridgetown RPM.
I met her back in
And this is the raffle table. Dale Catherine of SD9E fame. I don't remember which way is down. We're going to get into Dave Hussey of Cannon and Company. Okay, sorry about that jiggle. I thought the thing had turned off. This is HO3DIM. You get dummy Sergeant couplers. There's several other products coming out. See my still photos for more information, if you can even hear me. This is Elizabeth Allen's table. Mike Folletti.
That's what came with the kit? Yep, it came with the kit.
There's a lot of empty tables, but I think it was just a case of they planned for the potential.
I've been working in Seattle for quite a while.
Like SD26, and I was like, done.
No scale. From John Davis. And there was a third model in the middle there. Mark McLeod. Dave Maffey. Greg Ammer with Proto 48. This is from Rick Selby. I don't believe I got photos of these yet. This is Dunstan Fanderl's table, all the 3D printing.
Well, at the least, what I would do, would you get your shirt from school?
It's my private railroad. It's my model railroad, and I Gelsby Graphics make the embroidery.
What do you model your shirt? Sorry, I'm interrupting.
Just a little.
I'll talk
Later. Okay. Somebody likes hydraulics. That somebody would be Larry Bischoff.
The upgrades that people do to these friggin' cages are absolutely amazing.
Here's Brian Soapke's, what he calls the Conflone collection. He's purchased a lot of Mike Conflone's Allagash equipment that he sold on eBay. Brian also is kind of a local representative of the home shops. Freelance paint schemes on Tangent products. This is actually Brian's home roads, the Benton and Southern, and he also has Arkansas Valley. And we got some N scale from Carl Andrashko. I'm possibly butchering that name. I apologize, Carl, if I am. Cyrus Gillespie. Some works in progress. Some locomotive. Tim Jamin. This person likes to modify trucks. Bob Cromwell. And then this is Heather Clark from Lebanon, Oregon. This is large scale to the max.
Oh yeah?
By Craig Townsend. And Dale Catherine, who we saw at the raffle tables. He's known as the SD9 guy, and I think it's kind of obvious why. So it's Rob, and I missed the last name. I've got his name tag on my cell phone. Rick Faroux, I think. Gentleman at taking photos has tips about doing track.
Pick up one out of there and look at it under the magnifying glass. You can take that home as a sample if you want.
Neither are exactly prototype.
Not sure if I can do a magnifying glass and the camera at the same time.
Every one is different. If I tried to make them all the same, they'd be different. So my quality control process is non-existent.
I don't know if that's working, but we'll see. We have more in scale.
I think that's a really fancy silver car.
Rick. This is water, right? Yep. Thank you. All right. And Rick's got some with what you gonna do? Which one's Rick's? This one?
This is mine. Yeah, and then
This is us?
yep.
And you had the money to cover it?
Rick, why don't you,
Want to come? I can sit over here too.
okay, why don't you do that?
We can just yell. I can yell across it.
We both got the same thing.
Yeah. Oh, no, keep
This is details in scale. In scale, HO scale is next to it.
I do have, like, I have
Lumber
a
loads
bunch
and
of the
other
click
things.
ones, but I don't have any,
Engineering does lights and sounds.
That's the one I would choose.
Unlike we talked about earlier, it's hard to deal with.
I'm just going to sneak by to go to the restaurant and then yeah, you're good, thank you. Good news is you're only 2.5 inches for work.
Schwenks, covered hoppers. Max, some locomotives, and his operating rotary dumper. Another lovely painting by John Signor.
Yeah, it's okay to have your own. I mean, everybody has their own opinion. You can have your own.
And some models by him.
Exactly. You can have a terrible opinion, but it's still your
Babies.
Bruce Barney in the middle there, who put this all together. These are Bruce's models.
Like say,
Hard to run that many trains at once. Even outside, so you got 15 bodies.
These are 3D printed. Here's the raw shells. Most of this stuff is 3D printed, if not all of it. It's got wigwam burners.
no, that was the
Straddle loaders. See one that's still got the supports all attached. Got a couple different cabooses. And I believe these are wood chip cars in N and HO scale. Some N-scale vehicles and models. Railroad.
Well, Bill, the bullshit. I don't know what enough I didn't. Shall we go get some to eat?
The registration and raffle table. Raffle ticket sales, that is. We got lots of room for more people next year.